any numbers x, y, comma, z are selected from the set of the first seven natural numbers such that x is greater than 2y is greater than 3z, how many such distinct triplets of x, y, comma, z are possible? UPSC CSAT 2024. This question was asked. We have four options: 1, 2, 3, and 4 triplets. See, in questions, it is clearly mentioned that we have seven first seven natural numbers, and in our yesterday class I have told you that natural numbers start with 1, then 2, then 3, and goes to n. And what is n? N is the last number. So we have seven natural numbers, that is 1, we have 2, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7. So these are natural. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7. There are certain pattern to solve CSAT questions. See, otherwise you will do all the questions wrong. If you will not follow the concepts deeply, then definitely you will lose your marks. You will get only minus 2.66 per question. See, this question is very deep. The question has given a statement that x is greater than twice of y, x is greater than twice of y, and twice of y is greater than thrice of z. See, I can take the value of x, y, and z from 1 to 7. The z will take its smallest value. How? If I put z equal to 1, then this is equals to 3. If I put z equal to 2, then it will become 6. And the number which is greater than 6 is 7. But we cannot make here 7, because here 2 is in the multiple and y is a natural number. When I will multiply 2 with a natural number, I will get an even number, but 7 is an odd number, so we cannot take the value of z more than 1. So z has only one value. Z has only one value, that is 1. See, we cannot take z equal to 2. If I take z equal to 2, then here it will become 6, then it will definitely be 7 or 8. But we have to take only natural numbers from up to 7. So there is only one value of z, that is 1. If this become 3, then here if I put y equal to 2, see, the number which is greater than 3 is 4, so I have to make here 4. Then the value of y is equal to 2. At y is equal to 2, I will get 4. See, if z equal to 1, y equal to 2, here it is 3, it is 4, then x can take value 5, 6, or 7. X can take 3 values. So I have triplet. How? I have triplet. I will write the triplet here. First of all, I will write x. I can have x as, if x is 5, then y equal to 2, x equal to 1. If x is equal to c, I have y equal to 2 and x equal to 1. If x is equal to 7, if x is equal to 7, if x is equal to 7, y equal to 2, then x is equal to 1. So I have three triplets. I have three triplets. What they are? First of all, I have 5, 2, 1. I have 6, 2, 1. I have 7, 2, 1. X, y, and z. See, I cannot put z rather than 1. I can put z equal to 1 only, but I can change the value of y. See, if I put z equal to 1, y equal to 2, then x is equal to 5. See here, if z equal to 1, y equal to 2, here what I get 1, 3, here 4, then 5 is greater than 4. See, a condition is there, a triplet is there. See, here I have, when I put z equal to 1, I have 3 here. When I put y equal to 2, I have 4 here, and 6 is greater than 4, so I have a triplet here. Again, I have a triplet here. See, if I put y equal to 3, y equal to 3, then z equal to 1, here I get 3. 3 to just 6, the y will become 6, and I can take the value of x as 7. X as 7. See, I cannot take any other value of xy because 7 is just greater than x. If I have to take if I have to take 8 natural numbers, then I can take 167, 168. But I have to take only 7 natural numbers. So if I put z equal to 1, here I have 3. If I put y equal to 2, see, 4 is greater than 3. So I have to make here 4. And how it will made? It will made by putting y equal to 2 here. See, if I put z equal to 1, y equal to 2, then there is 3 values of x are possible. That is 5, 6 and 7. So I have 3 triplet here. If I put y equal to 3, then here 6. 6 is also greater than 3 and 7 is greater than 6. So I have another triplet by putting z equal to 1, y equal to y equal to not 6, y equal to 2. Sorry, 3. So I have here 4 triplets. The UPSC has asked a question on a deep concept. I have 4 triplets. I have 4 triplets. So option number D will be the correct answer. Next question. Let P again in UPSC CSAT 2024. Let P and Q be the positive integers satisfying P is less than Q and P plus Q is equal to K. What is the smallest value of K that does not determine P and Q uniquely? You have to find the smallest value of k that will not able to provide the unique values of p and q. This is the question. So we have p and q positive integers, either they can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. If you add p plus q, you will get k. So you have to tell the smallest value of k. See, p plus q is equal to k. In this question, it is clearly mentioned that p is less than q. P is less than q, means q is greater than p. See, if I take, I will do this question by option. Here the smallest value is 3. If I take p plus q is equal to 3, if I take p plus q equal to 3, as you know that p and q are integers and p is less than q, so there will be only one value, that is 1 and 2, because 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Here condition satisfied, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, p is less than q, so p take only 1 and q will take value 2. So we can tell the definite value of p and q. In this question we have, if I take 3 as my answer, so I can tell you clearly that p is equal to 1 and q equal to 2. But we have to tell the smallest value of k that does not determine p and q uniquely, so this one will not be my answer. If I take p plus q equal to 4, if I take p plus q equal to 4, if I take p plus equal to 4, then p, as p and q are integers, p and q are integers and their sum is 4, and you have to write p less than q. So 4 will become, sum of two numbers can be 4 in two ways, that is 1 plus 3 or 2 plus 2. If you take 2 plus 2, then p will become equal to q, which is not given. P is less than q, so I have only one value, that is p is equal to 1 here and q equal to 3 here. If I take my answer as 4, then I can clearly tell you that p is equal to 1 and q equal to 3. But in my question, I have to tell the smallest value of k that not determine the exact value of p and q. See, if I take p plus q is equal to 5. That was the trickiest question UPSC has asked in 2024. If I take p plus q equal to 5, see, I have to make some p plus q equal to 5. It can be done in many ways. First of all, we have to take p less than q. So I can write 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 equal to 5. I also can write 2 plus 3. So in this scenario, I cannot tell you the exact value of P and Q. If I take this as my options, then P equal to 1, Q equal to 4, satisfy P plus Q equal to 5. If I take P equal to 2, Q equal to 3, then it is also equal to 5. So I have two values of P and two values of Q. Since I cannot tell the exact values of P and Q, if I take K is equal to 5, so 5 is the correct answer. 5 is the smallest number that will that will not determine that will not determine P and Q uniquely.